angel. Oh, wow! Ang taray! Parang mga ko mag-aaral ni Padre Damas sila, no? Ayan, sir! Sino mo nanalo? Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4? Kaya sino ba po? Alright, sige. Yung ano daw, yung pinakamalakas na lang daw na palakpakan na doon natin di-decide. Group 1! 2! 3! 4! Group 2. Alright, first to make three. First to make three, ha? First to make three. Alright, next picture. Give me a picture of a jungle.